How to make money online in 2024. Top side hustles revealed. Hey there, side hustlers. If you're looking to make some extra cash in 2024 or maybe even pivot to a new career, then listen up. Today, I'm sharing the top side hustles that can help you create additional income streams, earn passive income, and pad those retirement funds. And the best part? You don't need any tech skills or marketing experience to get started. I'm talking about a fantastic online course that's absolutely free. Yep, you heard that right, free. This course offers comprehensive training, including Zoom tech support, mentoring, and coaching. You'll dive into digital marketing, affiliate marketing, faceless marketing, branding, and so much more. Here's the kicker. You can choose from up to 4 digital products to market. Plug them into the training, gain real-world experience, and start earning while you learn. One digital product is only $100. For 2, it's $300. For 3, $600. And for all 4, $900. Plus, bonus materials are included. And don't worry about the cost. You can spread the payments out over 12 months, making it super affordable for everyone. By following the step-by-step training and setup, you'll have a complete online business up and running by the end of the course. A business you own 100% and keep all the profits. The key to success: complete the training modules, be coachable, and stay consistent. More and more technology is replacing traditional 9-to-5 jobs. Learning digital marketing skills will give you a high-demand, high-income skill set to protect yourself against job loss. So, like and save this video and follow me for more info. Drop a comment or send me a message and I'll send you all the details. Let's make 2024 your year of financial freedom. Thanks for watching.